So why hydroponics? Well, hydroponics is much cleaner than growing with soil. There's no mold or mildew. Water gauge shows you when to water. In fact, you can be watering your plants once every 3 weeks, every 2 to 3 weeks. And if you have allergies, you can now have houseplants again because, again, like I said, there's no mold or mildew. Now, hydroponics by definition means growing without soil. There's many, many different ways that you can grow hydroponics hydroponically. The system that we use, and I like this a lot, the system that we have, this has been in Europe for 40 years. We've been using it for 30 years, and it really works. It has an outer pot that acts as a reservoir. It has an inner pot, that's the grow pot, that has slits on the side, holes in the bottom to promote air circulation around the roots. Has a water gauge that tells you when to water. And then finally, we have these remarkable clay pebbles that replace the soil that actually wick the nutrient solution up to the plant. This is a very good system. Like I said, I like this system, and each of these components contributes to the overall health of the plant. So when you're starting out, I recommend that you start out with a complete system like this before you start substituting parts, and you're going to have much better success with your plants. How I like to think of this is that when you transfer a soil plant to a hydroponic plant, you're forcing the plant to switch from soil roots to water roots. And there's a transition period for this to happen. And the transition period is usually 4 weeks to 6 weeks. And during this period, your plant might need a little tender loving care, and you might need to make some adjustments on your watering, which I'll show you exactly how to do that. This is all worth it because once your plant adapts to the hydroponic system, it's much more durable, it's much stronger than it was as a soil plant, and you don't need to be nearly as careful with all of this after it gets established. But the important thing is that you have to give it time to get established, and watering is one of the #1 things with helping your plant get established.